had a boo-boo. Don't worry, I will help you. This will make you feel okay and make